And we are back, whores. Time for an update video for y'all real quick. Haven't really posted on the truck too much as far as YouTube. We really got any what's it called, lately, but got a lot of shit in. I got the grill in, I got the tail lights in, the headlights. I've got what else? New ignition, because I only had one key. I don't really like having one key. I like to have two because I do get clumsy sometimes and lose shit. What else? I got side view mirrors finally. Let's see. Tail lights. These are fucking badass too. These beams right here, they light up whenever you hit the brake. And then I got some of those like really bright ass reverse lights. And then this is the body lift. This is the 3-inch. I still got to do that. And then I already got the headlights installed. These are the running lights. I still gotta get this out of here. LED. They're fucking badass. I gotta mount these up to the grill though. And then this is the steering stabilizer from Rough Country. So I gotta get that installed as well. It shouldn't take long. And then that was the grill. And then here she goes. Yeah, I know it's been a fucking minute. Everybody's been talking shit about me not having a grill. It's because it's been on back order for 3 fucking months, but she made it. And what's fucking crazy is I had these fucking clear, really nice side markers in my cart, and they were on they were available and everything. I just kept bullshitting on fucking buying them, and as soon as I'm like, you know what, fuck it, Keys, it's time to get them, out of stock. So I gotta wait on those to get back in stock. But for now, here's the grill put in. I got this on eBay. This is the all chrome plastic. I kind of wanted to keep that original grill look from the 88 to I think it's the 94 or 93s till they like switch up to the real thick one. But I fucking love this grill. I still gotta get a bow tie real quick, and then yeah, that's about it. I still gotta get a front bumper too. I found, because I got this little fucking dent that was there before we even fucking bought the truck like 5 years ago. But yeah, I got that put on. I'm sure y'all watched my last video. I got the rock lights put in. I just literally put them in. I didn't even fucking do any extra bullshit. Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't even do no extra bullshit. So I got those put in. I still gotta rewire fucking everything. Like, it's tucked under there, but it's just really not the most ideal neat job right now, I guess. But nothing really much to do on the inside. I still got this is the rock light little harness box. I just did, like I said, this is just to test it out, just to see what the fuck it looked like. So obviously this is all gonna get cleaned up. I still gotta order my fucking carpet. I installed my fucking what do you call it? I don't even know what the fuck it's called. I'm fucking brain farting today. Whatever, yeah, y'all know what it is. It's been a long day. Anywho, yeah, I got that installed. Fucking, well, yeah, that's really it on the inside. I'm really not gonna do much. Like I said, carpets. I gotta get another fucking seat, but these bitches are fucking expensive, as well as this fucking bracket, too. This is expensive as fuck, so. But yeah, we're gonna get that. Then I gotta get the black glare out. Get the, what's it called in there, fucking radio. I still gotta get my 4x6s up here and up front on each side. And then door panels. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I kind of like how these door panels are just off. But yeah, we're getting really close. Like I said, it's got this blocks in on the rear now. I have a fucking problem with this tailgate. There's a reason those fucking taillights aren't in right now, so let me get up in here. So this tailgate is reverse flip, and as you can see, this latch is supposed to be on the inside of there. So I got this side. This side's already in, so I can just pull and this side will come loose. but this side will not, because clearly the fucking rod is right here. So I've tried fucking everything. I've tried fucking pry bars and fucking huge ones. I just cannot get this side. So I think what I'm gonna do is take a cutting wheel, cut a little box right here, and then take it off. And then honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a whole brand new tailgate. I found one for $200 off eBay. So I'm probably gonna get that, and then I gotta get a battery box for this. I gotta get a new battery, period, because that bitch, it's time to go for this one. And then that's really it for the, what's it called, the rear. Ouch. But yeah, as soon as I can get this tailgate down, just to flip down to get in here in this pocket, I can put them fucking tail lights in. And then yeah, gotta get those tail lights in. I got the mirrors. So yeah, nothing special. Just a regular old. Sorry. Yeah. They're just so pretty when they're brand new, dude. Because boy, I had some shitty ones, but yeah, they're looking pretty good. But yeah, got those finally. This down here. Okay, let's put that over here. Yeah, got all that, really. Tail lights and all that. I do, like I said, yes, I am having some issues, so I do, okay, so I did this whole lift kit in my fucking driveway, literally right the fuck here. Being that this is such a big fucking wheel setup, and then the lift on top of that, I really didn't clear all the way on my passenger side whenever I put this spring in. So let's see if y'all can see. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see. There's a pocket, so the spring is stopping right here. It's really supposed to be like tucked in there. So I'm gonna get that taken care of. I gotta fucking powder coat these fucking springs too, because I fucked them up when I was putting them in. But yeah, I gotta get that taken care of. I gotta get the fucking steering stabilizer put in, and then I gotta get I gotta move hitment arm, but I cannot for the fucking life of me get this bolt off. So I got a shop that's gonna do that. I'm gonna put a new pitman arm. They're gonna put mine on for me. They're gonna align this bitch, and then they're gonna fix that spring and get that one adjusted. But this one's all good to go. This side's happy. This is my happy wheel. But yeah, like I said, not too much really to go. It's been a good, when did I start this? I started this in March, beginning of March. As soon as fucking coronavirus hit and everything, so yeah, it's been a fun couple of months. Fucking expensive, I'll say that much. I definitely had some nights of eating ramen noodles and shit, but after how this is looking, it was so fucking worth it. But yeah, like I said, we're getting there. Just gotta do like little small shit. I do have a wiring problem as well. This is all fucked up, but that's okay. I got a new shifter in there, and I got a new turn signal. It's like this little white adapter that plugs into everything down there. I gotta fish it through the fucking steering column and all that, get it installed, and hopefully my wiring should be all good. But as far as like the fucking cab and back, I've rewired everything. All that wiring in there is brand new. It's been loomed up. We're all good. This front I do need to look at more. I did see a cable that was ungrounded over there, and that might be the issue for my right light. And then on the lights, I gotta go. I gotta buy some new pigtails, cause on before it had the original. What's it called? It had these. So took those off. And then it had like a weird connector to it, so I have to go in. I gotta cut those out. I gotta get new pigtails and splice them so they can work for these, and then I gotta go get these bolts to put my running lights in, and then, like I said, who fucking knows when the fucking turn signal little cover deals are gonna be back in stock. So I'm just gonna have to wait that out till it gets back, and then I gotta order the new bumper, and then I mean, really, that should be it as far as the outside. I don't know. I kind of want to do a roll pan, but I really love the bumper on the back. It really, I don't know. It's always that good with me. So I guess I might keep that. But yeah, other than that, once that's all taken care of, like I said, that's a little small, little meticulous shit. Paint! Throw some fucking paint on this bitch, and then hopefully we'll be good. But yeah, there's an update over it. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, comment on the channel, you know what I'm saying? Gonna hit the Instagram at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Okay, gonna have y'all a little good day, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?